Hello all, welcome to Life Science Library. In this video we are going to see about terpenes. What are terpenes? Under terpenes we will be seeing about the basic information and facts about terpenes, how terpenes are formed, uses of terpenes. This will be useful for CSIR net. There are so many previous year questions asked from this. Very important topic. It will be useful for GATE as well. First, about introduction of terpenes. What are terpenes? Terpenes are the buildup of isopirin units. This is isopirin. They can exist as terpene and terpenoid. Terpenes are hydrocarbon. Terpenes are hydrocarbon. Terpenoids are oxygenated hydrocarbon. So what are hemiterpene? General formula for terpene is C5H8N. So hemiterpene is C5H8 unit. This is hemiterpene. Hope this introduction is clear. This is an isopirin unit. This is a general formula of terpene C5H8N. C5H8 is called as hemiterpene. Terpenes are basically hydrocarbons. Terpenoids are oxygenated hydrocarbons. Now we are going to see about classification of terpenes. Monoterpene consists of 2 units of pyrin, isopyrin. They totally consist of 10 carbon atoms. Sequiterpene consists of 3 units of isopyrin. They has 15 carbon atoms. Diterpene consists of 4 units. And they normally have 20 carbon atoms. Triterpene consists of 6 isopyrin units. And they consist of 30 carbon atoms. Tetraterpene consists of 8 isopyrin units. And they consist of 40 carbon atoms. More than 8 isopyrin units are called as polyterpene. Monoterpene 2 isopyrin, sequiterpene 3 isopyrin, diterpene 4 isopyrin, tetraterpene triterpene 6 isopyrin, tetraterpene 8 isopyrin. C10 monoterpene, C15 sequiterpene, C20 diterpene, C30 triterpene, C40 tetraterpene. This classification, number of carbon atoms, number of isopyrin units, and the names of all these are very important with respect to CSIR exam point of view. These are the source of previous year questions. Now we are going to see about biosynthesis of terpenes by two pathway. One is mevalonic acid pathway and the other is methyl erythritol pathway. What is mevalonic acid pathway? First we are going to see about mevalonic acid pathway. Mevalonic acid pathway, in which 3 molecules of acetyl-CoA is converted into, undergo a series of reaction and converted into mevalonic acid. And they undergo decarboxylation, dehydration and pyrophosphorylation to form isopentyl pyrophosphate. Another pathway is methyl erythritol pathway, in which glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and pyruvic pyruvate with the help of DOX-P synthase and DOX-P reductase forms methyl erythritol phosphate, dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate. They form geranyl pyrophosphate, then farnesyl pyrophosphate, then geranyl pyrophosphate, then polyterpene. These are the biosynthesis of terpenes. Geranyl pyrophosphate is a monoterpene. Farnesyl pyrophosphate is a sequoterpene. Geranyl pyrophosphate is a diterpene. And they result in polyterpene. Each isoprene units will come and add at each step. This occur in cytosol. This occur in plastid. Here 3 reactions occur when conversion of mevalonic acid to isopentyl pyrophosphate. This include pyrophosphorylation, dehydration and decarboxylation. This is a previous year question. This location is a previous year question. Source mevalonic acid pathway and methyl erythritol pathway is a previous year question. This mevalonic acid is a 6-carbon compound, previous year question. Isopentyl pyrophosphate is a 5-carbon compound, is a previous year question. Dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate, 5-carbon compound, this is a previous year question. So this is very important. Hope this is understood. Next we are going to see about various examples of monoterpenes. These are memory based. So candidates who are watching this video, please try to remember, because questions directly come from this as pointers, usually in part B. Monoterpenes. Monoterpenes are C10 compounds of isoperine. Insecticidal property, example pyrethroid. Medicinal property, limonene, camphor. Flavoring property, methanol. Try to remember. Make a chart of it, stick it on the wall and see it daily. Insecticidal property, pyrethroid. Medicinal property, limonene and camphor. Flavoring property menthol. Secret terpene, perfumery raw material, patchol, phytohormone abscisic acid, antibiotic pentanolactone, anti-cancer gossypiol, phytoalexin capsidol. This we have seen in other video as well in phytohormone. This we will be seeing about in cell biology when it comes to cancer biology. Diterpene, we know all this. Diterpene phytohormone is gibberellin. Anti-cancer Taxol. Diterpene anti-cancer is Taxol. Secbiterpene is Gossipol. Antibiotic is dihydroleucidine. Antibiotic in secbiterpene is pentanolactone. Phytoalexin is, it's not cancer, it is cannabine. Casbine. Phytoalexin is casbine. Please change it. Anti-cancer Taxol, phytoalexin is casbine, phytohormone is gibberellin, antioxidant is dihydroleucidine. Next about is triterpene. Membrane bound components are sitosterol. Therapeutic uses cardenolites. Sitosterol, cardenolites. Sitosterol, cardenolites. Next we are going to see about tetraterpene. Plant pigment, beta carotene. Beta carotene is seen in so many cases, given in case of stringolactone, vitamin A, and all these. Next about tetraterpene, plant pigment, beta carotene. Triterpene, sequeterol and cardenolides. Polyterpene, chlorophyll. Important. Polyterpene is chlorophyll. Plastoquinone is a polyterpene used in electron transport chain. Industrial raw material for rubber is a polyterpene. This is very, very important. We may not be knowing because we know the chlorophyll has magnesium, it has pyrrole ring. So all these things we know, we never know it is a polyterpene. Electron transport chain, plastoquinone we know, we never know it is a polyterpene. So please make a mark of it. Let us sum up all these. Terpene. Terpene is an isoprene structure. This is the structure of terpene. Terpenes are hydrocarbon. Terpenoids are oxygenated hydrocarbon. Hemiterpene is C5H8 is hemiterpene. Monoterpenes 10 carbon atom, 15 carbon atom, diterpene 20 carbon atom, triterpene 30 carbon atom, tetraterpene is 40 carbon atom, polyterpene is more than 8 isoprene unit. Next up is biosynthesis of mevalonic acid pathway and methyl erythritol pathway. Mevalonic acid pathway. What will happen in mevalonic acid pathway? Mevalonic acid pathway takes place in chloroplast and methyl erythrocytol pathway takes place in cytosol. Mevalonic acid pathway takes place in cytosol. This takes place in chloroplast. It is converted into series of reaction to form mevalonic acid. Then mevalonic acid undergo phosphorylation, decarboxylation and dehydration to form isophentyl pyrophosphate. The starting compound is 3 compound molecules of acetyl-CoA. The starting compound is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate when combined with pyruvate. When combined to pyruvate, it forms methyl erythrocytol phosphate. It forms methyl erythrocytol phosphate. It forms dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate. This is a 5-carbon compound. This is a 5-carbon compound. Undergo isomerization to form geranyl pyrophosphate, monoterpene, farnesyl pyrophosphate, sequiterpene, geranyl pyrophosphate. It is a diterpene. Then it forms polyterpene. One isoprene unit will come and attach at each step. These are the basic things. Monoterpene. This is very important. Pyrethroid into insecticidal property. Medicinal property limonenone. This is very important. Previous year question. Hormone, phytohormone abscisic acid, previous year question. Cancer property gossypial, important, very important. Diterpene, phytohormone gibberellin is very important. Anti-cancer taxol is important. Triterpene, sequestrol is a triterpene. Cardenolite is a triterpene. Sequestrol and membrane components, cardenolite in medicinal property. Tetraterpene is beta carotene. Polyterpene we have chlorophyll, we have plastoquinone, and we have industrial raw material rubber. These are very important because we have its usage in other cycles. Chlorophyll and photosynthesis, plastoquinone in electron transport chain. We will be dealing all this in detail. So please make a note of it. Hope this video is very helpful and this video is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching this video.